Hello, friends. It's your elocution and public speaking coach, Miss Honey. Welcome back. Today, we're going to kick off with a tip for better public speaking. Speak in a sing-song manner, almost like you're saying a poem. Do you have a favorite poem? I know one. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. When we speak in a sing-song manner, it makes our words sound interesting. So, slow down your speech, focus on speaking clearly and pronouncing your words correctly. Good job! Now to our elocution practice for the day. Today, we'll be focused on 3 sounds. First off, we'll be starting with the sound ts. To make the ts sound, your teeth have to be close together and your tongue just at the back of your teeth. So come on, sound with me. Ts. 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 For tap, boats, biscuits. Tap, boats, biscuits. Very good. Now to the next sound. The TH sound. The TH sound comes as twins. The voiced TH, the, and the voiceless TH, th. The voiced TH sound is heavy, and the voiceless TH sound is light. To make the TH sound, you have to place the tip of your tongue in between your teeth, and then you try to blow out some air. Let's try some examples of the voiced TH sound. Repeat after me. Mother, mother, mother. Good job. Now say bother, bother, bother. Good job. Now say these, these, these. Well done. Now to examples of words that have the voiceless TH sound. Repeat after me. Think. Tricky, isn't it? Let's try again. Think. Good. Now say birthday. Birthday. Finally, say thin. Thin. Well done. You get a thumbs up. And our last sound for today is the sound. Can you sound with me? Make the sound Well done. Examples of words that have the sound are hammer. Can you say hammer? Hammer. Good job. Now say flower. Flower. Good job. Now say brother. Brother. Well done. Finally say mother. Mother. Well done. I hope that we have learned a lot today. Now here's a sentence to help us practice everything we have learned today. Say after me. I think my mother bought another water bottle for my little brother. Now let's say it together. I think my mother bought another water bottle for my little brother. Well done! Now for your assignment, I want you to practice this sentence. Say, my mother does not like butter on her snacks. Do not even bother with that, but bring a bottle of water for her. Well done, my friends. Remember, you are amazing, and I am so proud of you. See you next time. I remain your coach, Miss Honey.